My name is Jake Oken, and I'm a faculty member at the School of Manufacturing Systems and Networks, a part of the Ira A. Fulton Schools of Engineering at Arizona State University. Today, we're here on the beautiful Polytechnic campus, and we're about to tour ISTB 12, the newest building on the Polytechnic campus, where students get to learn about robotics, manufacturing, and clean energy systems. Starting off over here, you'll see our jetpack. This is one of the projects we worked on previously where you can actually run a 4-minute mile using this robot. And this is our humanoid robot. Just like a human, it has the same type of anatomy, same walking structure, gait pattern as a human over here. You can see we can shake hands, we can do everything with this humanoid robot. You can see we have a ton of different robots and incredible technologies in this lab, and that's why it's one of my favorite spots in ISTB 12. This is Dr. Benil Starley, the director of the School of Manufacturing Systems and Networks. Professor Starley was even acknowledged as one of the top 20 professors in the field of smart manufacturing by the Society of Manufacturing Engineers. So Dr. Starley, can you tell us more about this building and what students can expect to learn?
This building represents the future of manufacturing. We are pretty much having to see technologies that go into what goes into aerospace components, that go into microelectronics and semiconductors, into energy, into the battery space that allows products to be built at small scales but also at pilot scales. I think one of the hallmarks of this building is also how do we get industry involved in this building. This building represents future of manufacturing technologies.
We are here with Dr. Kurt Patterson, the director of the Polytechnic School. So Dr. Patterson, can you tell us more about what we're doing here? What goes on inside this lab and what kind of projects are being worked on in ISTB 12?
The faculty and students in this lab are imagining the future of mobility. In this case, it's a more autonomous, more electrified future, one that affects how we move around the planet, both on the ground and in the air.
So now we're looking at another very cool machine. I see lasers, I see robots. Dr. Starley, can you tell us more about this machine?
Everyone's heard of 3D printers. This is a 3D printer too, except it does metals. But even metals, it has a slight variation to it. It's essentially doing laser welding in 3D.
Next, I want to show you this huge robotic arm over here. These are the exact same robots that are used in the industry. In fact, you might have even seen them at different car plants all around the country and even the world.
So this is a very cool project actually funded by the Department of Defense. And here we are developing a DC to DC converter, bidirectional DC to DC converter, which is a part of the EV charger, mainly going to be deployed for military ground vehicles. So the main idea here is to basically make the DC-DC converter more power dense and highly efficient.
Research you're seeing around you is really the future of power electronics, and the thing I like about it is it's rich opportunity for the students to better appreciate the complexities of real engineering work.
This is Vanessa Fonseca Chavez. She's the Assistant Vice Provost of the Polytechnic campus. As part of her role, she facilitates enrollment growth, student success, and improvement at the Polytechnic campus. So Vanessa, with ISTB 12 right here, what does this mean for the Polytechnic campus and the student community and just the community in general around us?
This is huge for the Polytechnic campus. ISTB 12 is the latest iteration of our growth phase for Poly. It's a really important research facility, collaboration facility for our students, faculty, and industry. It's so important for the East Valley community as we continue to grow out in far East Mesa, and we're just really excited for all the opportunities that will come out of this building.
Thank you for joining us on this deeper dive into Interdisciplinary Science and Technology Building 12, the newest building in the ASU's Polytechnic Innovation Zone. For more questions about naming opportunities for research spaces and labs, please contact Jennifer Williams with the ASU Foundation. We hope to see you around soon. Thank you.